So good to be back with you doing videos. My son is doing better. He actually got out of the hospital, and that is super great news. We're really happy about that. He does have a long road ahead of him, so please keep him in your prayers. Today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw together a crock pot meal that is gonna be super easy. If I can do this, you can do this. This is gonna be really simple. What I'm going to be using for the seasoning is these ranch packets. I'm going to use 2 of them, I think. And I went ahead and I diced up some potatoes. I left the peelings on them because we like them that way. And there's a lot of nutrition in the peelings. And I'm just going to lightly season these potatoes with some ranch. We're going to put that in there first. Next, I've got I've got a half a bag of organic carrots, which is probably about 1.5 cups. And I had about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of potatoes. Season these as well. Drop those in there. And I'm not going to add any moisture to this crock pot because there is some moisture in these vegetables. And then I have a can of Allen's green beans, which we love. And I'm going to put those in here. I did drain them. And I'm really hoping that this will all fit in my crock pot. Move it around there. Now I have got a whole 4-pound chicken. And I'm just going to go ahead and season this, rub it down, do a dry rub on it. And you do want to make sure that you take all the packet out of the middle of it before you put your chicken in the crock pot. Now, I like to wash mine. Some people don't, but I do. And the reason I'm using 2 packets is because it'll be much more flavorful. It seems like sometimes when you use 1 packet, it just doesn't have a lot of flavor. So put some more over those vegetables. Now, I'm going to put my chicken in here. This is a whole chicken. I'm going to put it breast side up, just like that. Oh, and it fit perfectly. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so we are going to cook this on 4 hours, maybe 4.5 hours. We want to make sure that chicken gets done.
After 4.5 hours on high, I took the whole chicken out and put it in a casserole dish. And I'm going to place this in the oven on broil. Probably just, keep an eye on this. It did not take long. I don't even think it took 5 minutes to brown this chicken. I added some salt and pepper to those vegetables. Those Allen green beans and the ranch just gave it so much flavor, and the chicken was so tender, and voila, you've got a whole meal in 1 pot. I just love that.
This is so good. So easy. I'm gonna go finish my supper. Oh, have a good night.